ఈ వీడియోలో మనం టీఎస్సీ ఒడిశా ఫిజికల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ టీచర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ 5/10/2021 జరిగింది. ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ అండ్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ మరియు కంప్యూటర్ డిస్కస్ చేశాము. ఈ వీడియోలో సెక్షన్ 4 పెడాగజీ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ పాలసీస్ అండ్ ఎవాల్యుయేషన్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇది టోటల్గా 30 మార్క్స్ ఉంటుంది. 61. వాట్ డస్ ఐఈడిసి స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్? ఆన్సర్ ఏ. ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఫర్ డిసేబుల్డ్ చిల్డ్రన్. Answer 61. Integrated education for disabled children. 62. Identify the method whose goal is to allow the trainees to relate relevant personal experiences or events, contribute ideas or personal opinions, apply what has been learned and express what had been learned. Answer D. Discussion method. 62. D. Discussion method. 63. It's a good way to gauge whether one's weight is in healthy proportion to one's height. A physical education teacher is expected to determine any health risks a student may face if it's outside of the healthy range. In this context, how do you calculate body mass index? Answer C. Body weight by body height square. Answer 63. Body weight by body height square. 64. As a physical education teacher, one should know the name of the vitamin which is helpful in clotting of blood. Identify from the following list which of the following is that vitamin. Answer C. Vitamin K. 64. Answer vitamin K. C option is right. 65. Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development suggests that children move through 4 different stages of mental development. Identify the one which is not a part of this group. Answer D. Developmental stage. 65. Answer D. Developmental stage is right. 66. Freud's theory of self suggests that there are 3 parts of the self. There are answer id, ego, superego. 66. Answer D. Id, ego, superego. 7. Sweta is a good dancer and has good body flexibility and physical control. People who are strong in this area tend to have excellent hand-eye coordination and dexterity. Which type of intelligence does this indicate with respect to Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences? Answer B. Option is right. B. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence. 67. B is right. 68. Which theory stated that reinforcement is more effective means of encouraging a behavior than criticism or punishment? Answer D. Operant conditioning is right answer. 68. D option. Operant conditioning is right answer. 69. Which of the following does not belong to the category of teratogens? Answer A. Balanced diet. 69. Answer balanced diet is right answer. 70. Huntington's disease is an example of. Answer D. Dominant gene disorder. Answer D. Dominant gene disorder is right answer. 71. Which of the following statements is false with respect to meiosis? Answer D option is right. Meiosis gives the same number of chromosomes as the mother cell. 71. D. 72. According to Mahatma Gandhi, the object of basic education is the intellectual and moral development of children through the medium of handicraft. One of the following is also included in this category. Identify the from the following. Answer C. Physical development. 72. Physical development. C option is right. 73. Which theory of children development studies how learners interact with their environment and develop reasoning and knowledge? Answer B. Vygotsky theory. 73. Answer Vygotsky theory is right answer. 54. Identify the type of tournament where a team which is once defeated automatically gets eliminated from the tournament. Only the winning teams continue in the tournament. Answer C. Knockout tournament. 74. C. Knockout tournament is right. 75. Actual objects, models, pictures, charts, maps, chalkboard, overhead projector, slides, etc. come under which of the following category? Answer B. Visual aids. 75. B. Visual aids is right. 76. In Pavlov's experiments of classical conditioning, dogs were conditioning to salivate to the sound of the bell. Here the sound of the bell was B. Conditioning stimulus. CS. 76. B. Conditioned stimulus. CS is right. 76. B is right. 77. Which of the following is a planned performance of an occupation skill, scientific principle or experiment? Answer C. Option is right. Demonstration method. 77. C. Demonstration method is right. 78. Which of the following is an inappropriate pre-tournament responsibility? Answer D. Prepare reports related to the expenditure of the tournament. 78. D option is right. Prepare reports related to the expenditure of the tournament is right. 79. Which of the following method is an oral presentation of information by the instructor and is the method of relaying factual information which includes principles, concepts, ideas and all theoretical knowledge about a given topic? Answer D. Lecture method. 79. D. Lecture method is right. 80. What is the role of publicity committee after the tournament? Answer D. Give reports to media, provide information of expenditure to organizing committee. 70. 80. Option D right. Give reports to media, provide information of expenditure to organizing committee. 81. Frederick Froebel, who developed the kindergarten or children's garden, is also considered to be the inventor of. Answer C. Playway method. Answer 81. C. Playway method is right. 82. Identify the method which is useful in teaching drill, marching, set drills such as dumbbells, hoops, winds, poles, mass activities, control of general assemblies, rallies and parades. Answer B option is right. Command methods. 82. B. Command method is right. 83. Identify the method of learning a skill in which the entire skill is repeatedly practiced until its performance is perfected. 83. Answer B. Whole method is right. 83. B. Whole method is right. 84. To be involved in basic activities, physical education lesson must be planned through the involvement in 3 basic activities. Find out the one which does not belong to this group of activities. Which of the following is not one of the activities? Answer C option is right. Doing classwork. Doing classwork is right. 85. Bullying involves undesirable and aggressive behavior among school-aged children, which involves a real or perceived power imbalance. Which type of bullying involves purposefully excluding someone from a group or embarrassing someone on purpose? Answer B. Social bullying is right answer. 85. B. Social bullying is right answer. 86. The school health program SHP under Ayushman Bharat was launched by the Prime Minister in answer C 2018. 2018. Ayushman Bharat was launched by the Prime Minister in 2018 year. Option C is right. 87. Which of the following teaching strategies is used to learn in groups where learners are assigned a learning task or project to complete as a team? 87. Answer C. Cooperative learning. 87. Answer cooperative learning is right answer. 88. Which of the following statement is correct with regard to teaching aids and methods? 88. Answer D. Teaching methods are the manner of instruction, while teaching aids are tools teachers use to reinforce the lesson and to make it more interesting. 88. Answer D is right. 89. To which category does abrasion belong? abrasion belong. 89 answer A option is right. Soft tissue injury. 89 option A soft tissue injury. Which of the following is an improper statement with regard to summative assessment? Answer D. Summative assessment is used in the learning process, like asking questions to find if the student have understood the concept. 90 option D. Summative assessment is used in the learning process, like asking questions to find if the students have understood the concepts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.